Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to make a video changing your hub on a 2017 Impala. So it doesn't matter if your car is a 2014 or 2015 or 2019, as long as it look like this, it's going to be the same procedure. And I think this body shape starts from 2014. So this will be the hub right here. I can get it open. That's the hub. Okay. So that's the hub right there, and let's install it. And for those who always ask for the spec, the torque spec, get it to focus. See if I can get it to focus. So there you go. That's it, the torque spec right there. All right, so you can pause the video and take a screenshot if you're on your phone, so you can get that. All right, so raise the car up, take the tire off, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, help me help you. I will put a link in the description for the hub if I find one, where you can just click on that and get it too. All right, so let's get started. All right, so I took off the tire, and you guys should know to take off the tire. So but I thought it was videoing, but it wasn't. It's gonna be a 22 millimeter to take off the tire, or you can use your lug tool to take off the tire. All right. And after you take off your tire, you want to come right here and take off this right here, your outer tire. Then what this is gonna do is give you more room to work, because I already have the car up. I don't want to be going in and out of the car to turn the wheel left to right. All right, okay, you're gonna need to do that. And let's take this off. This is gonna be 18 millimeter. So let's start there. So you're gonna see a little point in here. That's where I'm gonna knock. So I can get it loose. You can see it's already loose. Let's finish taking it off. Take this out. And what that do is give you, so you can turn the steering like this. All right. I want to turn it like this to get inside here, because now we're going to take off the caliper. So we need to take off this one bolt right here and this other one right here. All right, so let's do that. So once again, 21 millimeter. So you want to remove the caliper, hook it up so you don't hang on your hose, and now it's time to remove the rotor. So to remove the rotor, what you want to do is get the I'm gonna call this a T30 torque. Take that out, and you notice my rotor come off really easy. But yours might not come off that easy. You might take it off, take out the screw, and it's still stuck. You're gonna need to get yourself a hammer and knock right here, 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 until it come off. And also spray some WD-40 before you knock it. Alright, and let it sit for a little bit, and then you knock where I show you to knock. Alright, so let's get the rotor off. Everything going good so far. Next step, what you want to do is take this off right here. So you might want to spray some WD-40 right here. Alright, so got that lube up right there, as you can see. And it's going to be an 1.25 inch socket. So you want to hit here, but not with, you want to hit it with something soft, so you can use the back of a hammer if you want. Just so it can move in and out. If it doesn't move when you knock it, you can spray some WD-40 on it and then try let it sit, and then you can try bump it again. Alright? Now it's to turn the lead all the way. And you're going to see 1, 2 over there, and 3 down here. 3 screws that you need to take out. Alright, 3 bolts that you need to take out. Alright, so those 3 bolts I show you, they are 18mm. Got an 18mm swivel socket. So that's why I take off this, so I can turn it. Take off the tire ends so I can turn it. Take them off. So to get the top one, it's a little bit tricky, so that's what I have right there. You can see the setup. Alright. Finally, they changed the hub where the hub and the bearings was on the same thing. Where the bearings and the speed sensor was in one. So that's really good.
When it's on, that shit should be speed the whole time. Claro que eso va a seguir porque eso está más esto es lo que se me para.
So you want to spin it and find the groove. Work it in. Okay, put your bolts. so let's tighten them up. You might have to keep on pushing this back, because sometimes it comes, so you might always have to keep on pushing back to get the socket to go in. Alright, so it's just so you know. Got the hub. I got this bolt. In the first part of the video, I show you a piece of paper with the torque spec, so you guys know how to set that already. You need to put on the rotor. Find your screw hole, line it up with this. That's good. Want to get your caliper. Make sure your hose is not bent or twist or anything. Alright. $21mm. So you put that on already. Tighten your axle nut already. Get your tie rod in. Tighten that up. So you want to double check your work, make sure that's on tight. Your axle nut is tight. That's tight. And the other one down there is tight, alright? When you double check your work, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel, help me help you. Leave a thumbs up. I'm going to try to leave a link for the parts in the description box. Or if anything, a comment. Alright, so time to put on your tire. So you just wanna tighten it like that. See, it's all tight. Alright, thank you guys for your love and support. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Peace out. See you next time.